First up, our veg. So we need some white cabbage. I'm just going to roughly chop them and add them to a blender. Some onion, so you don't need to chop them too finely. A little bit of ginger. So just a little piece of ginger will do. And then a small carrot. Big chunks are fine. And lastly, some scallion. We're just gonna blitz and pulse it for a few seconds. You don't want it to be too fine because you still want a little bit of texture in your gyozas. That's the perfect texture I want.